Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to renew your US passport online. This is helpful because if you qualify, you can do the process from home without mailing in a renewal packet. So before you start, make sure that you are eligible. Online renewal is only for certain adults and you must be 25 or older. So renewing a passport that was valid for 10 years and it must be expiring within 1 year or expired less than 5 years ago. You also cannot be changing personal details. You must be in a US state or territory when you apply it, and then you should also not be traveling for at least 6 weeks. Also, make sure you only use the official website. So once you are ready, get your current passport, a digital passport photo, your credit or debit card, and your basic details like your social security number and emergency contact. Then go to the official online renewal site, fill out the application yourself, check everything carefully, and submit it. So after that, keep your old passport and do not mail it in. But do not use it for travel because it will be canceled after you apply. You'll get email updates about your status, and routine processing is currently around 4 to 6 weeks, not including mailing time. So that is it for today. Thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below, and I'll see you on the next video.